How would you like to copy a millionaire? How about shortcutting your success so that way you can make $5,000, $10,000 plus worth of money every single month, predictably and much, much sooner? Hi, this is Michael from Viral Home-Based Pursuit, and in this video, I'm going to be going over the Jeff Lerner Millionaire Shortcut reviews. I'll be going in depth, showing you what this guide is about, what Jeff is about, and how this can literally change your life by just piggybacking off of Jeff Lerner, the digital marketing entrepreneur, and be able to leverage his systems, his models, the way he's been able to generate millions of dollars online and done it ethically, right? None of that guru, press one button and you generate $10,000. None of that, okay? And if that's something that you're looking for, you might as well tune out, click out, and go somewhere else, because he doesn't show you that, nor do I, okay? But if you're still sticking around right now, first of all, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss a thing that I come out with in the future, and you can also go through and see what I have. You'll want to do it because I also have other videos on who Jeff Lerner is specifically. I have that. I also have what is Entre Institute, which is what he's known for, and all his other material like the Entre Blueprint that you can go ahead and get your hands on, and I'll be showing you that a little bit here, but not too much. But those videos and those blog posts, they're down below in the description. So after you're done here, go download this guide, but you can also check out all the other material that I have. It's really good stuff. It's going to help you in your journey and understanding not only who Jeff is, but why you should be hearing it from me. Won't cover it too much in this video. But I'm going to be going over it right now. I'll be showing you on screen. Let's not waste any more time here. So this is what it is. It's a free download that reveals the fastest way to become a millionaire, right? You can download a zero-cost copy of the Millionaire Shortcut, and you'll discover why the amount of people who become millionaires every year is increasing at a rapid pace. The simple hack Jeff used to shorten the process of becoming a millionaire, and how to start using it today for yourself, so you can start generating lots of commissions online that are more predictable. That way you can free up more of your time, right? And do more of what you love with who you love. That's the whole point of this, why you want to start making money, not only to make the commissions, but to make an impact in other people's lives. The more value you give to people, the more money you make, right? It's in direct relation to how much value you bring. And that's what Jeff is going to show you how to do a lot of. Plus a bonus video on the next page that brings it all together so you can move forward with 100% confidence, right? This is going to help you understand how Jeff was over here able to make millions of dollars, how he was able to free up out of debt, how he was a musician, right, playing the piano, who had a degree, right, something that you can show somebody on paper, but does it really hold that much value in terms of what you bring to what you would have brought to his marketplace? And you might be in a similar situation, contemplating going to college, or having gone through it, having gotten a degree, or in the middle of it right now and not sure if you want to finish. I've been there. I've gone to school. I've gone to university myself. I've gone to a community college. I have a lot of certifications before I got into the whole digital online entrepreneurship. I was working a 9-to-5 too, understanding, what is out there. There has to be an alternative outside of just stock markets, and so many other ways. And this has opened up everything for me. So Jeff is going to show you that in the Millionaire Shortcut. And I want to go into more specifically what you're kind of going to want to see inside of it. So this is it. Once you go ahead and download it, I'll leave this page down below so you can go ahead and get access to it. Plus, if you get it through me, you're going to be hearing from me and seeing what I've gone through, so you don't make the mistakes that millions of other people have gone through and gone and quit, right? So you can actually see from somebody like myself who has generated money doing this and income, helping out a certain amount of people in a group, in an audience, and how you can do this for yourself too. And Jeff will help you along the way as well. And so you're going to get the two of us to go ahead and do that. You're going to be seeing a lot of value from me. I started in the health and wellness niche. I started with a blog, and I understood how I could monetize that and grow a business out of it. And then I later on grew more skills, started helping businesses generate income in so many different industries. with agency. I do coaching and consulting, something called affiliate marketing, which Jeff will kind of go through if you're not sure what that is. It's basically promoting other people's products and services without having to ever own your own, without having to be technical. You don't have to be somebody who knows what they're doing. You don't have to learn how to do all this coding, right? You can start from scratch and start generating huge commissions. And if that's something that you're interested, you want to keep listening in, because I'm going to get into it a little bit more here. So this is his guide. Obviously, I can't show you all of it, right? You have to get in there and see it for yourself. Otherwise, what's the value in that, right? This is your education, your information. You have to help yourself to be able to want to push yourself. And that's a whole nother subject of its own. But very quickly on that matter, right? As much as you want to make money, it's also about working on your mind. Your mindset is very key to unlocking and uncovering all these commissions and all this impact you can be making. If your mind isn't right, your money isn't right. Think about it like that. And Jeff, if you don't know a thing about Jeff, Jeff is that person who's going to get you there. I've come across a lot of digital marketing entrepreneurs aside from myself. And many of them, yeah, they do have their certain industry, but Jeff started also in that personal development space. So he understands it very greatly, like how to get you on track. And I'll be going into that a little bit more later on. So stick with me here. So this is going to become the secret to becoming wealthy in the new age and how he designed his best life. So he's going to share with you the secret in here. I'm not going to give it away. I want you to check it out for yourself. I honestly do. I want you to get in there and see what it is, but I'm going to give you a hint. It has to do with something with other millionaires. Could it be with copying other millionaires? You have to get in there and find out for yourself. But he talks about who he is and what he has gone through, what the millionaire shortcut is and how you can copy it, how far I actually came from becoming a millionaire, and what he's gone through, but how he's changing the world, how he's doing things from the internet, from home, how he's broken through the barriers, and how it's achievable for anybody else, not just for himself. He's not this person who just says it and then tells you, and then you should go do it like gurus do, right? You go and invest in a course, what's going to happen? You're going to make mistakes. It's likely not going to be something that helps you. They just try to make money from you, right? And they leave you high and dry, kind of like at the end of a road, right? Where you're like, I don't know if you've ever done this. I've never done it, and I don't ever want to. Like you're left abandoned on the side of the road with your bags behind you, and you have your thumb up like that, trying to wave a driver in to hitchhike, right? And you're trying to get on the car with them in the vehicle. And so, cars keep passing you by. You don't get that chance because you wasted it. And you don't want to be that person on that side of the road looking for a car to come pick you up, right? And that's very dangerous. You don't know what's on that side too. You might fall into a trap. You don't want that. And Jeff has all the tools, all the resources that you need. And he just kind of talks about the important thing you need to know before you use this shortcut to create an awesome life. It's about the how, and now you need to know the what. So he goes into all of this, building an online business, how to copying someone successful at it, and how do you do it. And he wants you to copy him. And he says he has the 3 top business models where he used to personally go from $400,000 in debt to becoming a millionaire, right? And this is the truth. This isn't just him speaking it out. If you want to know more about Jeff, I have, again, a blog post that I'll leave down below and a video you can watch that I made of him, if he's a scam or not. He's not. He's helped myself. I bought into his courses. And he's going to show you how to do this with the 3 top business models, which I talk about in other videos. I won't reveal them here. You can watch the other ones. I talk about the blueprint and what happens at the end of that. But the 3 top business models, very shortly, that he talks about are affiliate marketing, digital agency, and then course creation and selling those courses to make an impact, okay? And they all have a different model to them, so you're gonna wanna know how they go. I started with affiliate marketing. You can begin there. If you wanna go into digital agency, you can do that as well. And then he's gonna show you how to do that. And he also shows you the 3 Ps, which are amazing. If you haven't gone in and learned about Jeff already and understood what the 3 Ps are, which is personal or physical, personal, and professional. And how do you become excellent? He pushes you to become excellent in these 3 areas. And I'm very happy that I got to meet him and meet him online and got to understand a lot of what he does. And he has blueprints to this, and he shows you But once you get this blueprint, or once you get this guide, excuse me, here, you can go ahead and click here to watch the private training video. It'll be down at the bottom of each page. And then you want to click there, and it'll take you to this video where it'll show you the short video below to learn the fastest way to become a millionaire. Plus, you're going to get these amounts of bonuses. So it's likely he's going to give you an offer at the end of it, which will lead to this blueprint. Here's everything you're going to get. And you'll see this once the timer kind of goes down. The Entre Blueprint took me from being 400K in debt to building a 40 million business and completely transformed Jeff's life. He talks to you about who he is, what he does, why you should listen to him. Okay, and he's legitimate. Here are reviews of what people are saying. Brittany, here, this was an amazing video. There was so much insight. I'm so excited to work my way up into digital marketing. I already have 2 people in mind that I would love to help with their businesses. So she's kind of thinking about getting businesses more leads through the door, which is more of a digital agency kind of format, or it could be agency into affiliate marketing, earning commissions, which you'll learn later on down the road how to combine them. One is my amazing father, who works hard every day trying to build his business. And the second is my youth pastor that I had the pleasure of growing up with and teaching me everything or something very special. They both have businesses that I would love to help them with and be able to get them more business. Thank you so much for the training, Harry. I'm beginning to believe that this is highly possible to achieve. I'm excited, delighted, and I feel blessed to have been given this opportunity. Thank you for all the tips and tricks associated with getting this business off the ground. But most of all, thank you for your brilliant example. You show us to doing good for others on the human front. It really makes a big difference, and he does. Jeff is the most energetic guy you're ever going to meet. I'll just say that, okay? And if you do have energy, or if you do not have energy, he will light a fire underneath your ass. Excuse me for my language too. I don't really say bad words, but I just want to let you know that this is serious, and you should take it serious, okay? And if you don't, then this is probably not even right for you, because if you're just here to waste your own time and everybody else's time, this is not the video for you. But if you're very serious about building a legitimate business for yourself, helping others, or helping yourself in other ways, then keep listening in. This is the right opportunity for you. And I've been around the affiliate marketing, I've been around digital marketing for a very long time to know what is right, what is wrong, what people do right, when they go wrong. I've helped out thousands of businesses myself, and I've also been able to build a legitimate affiliate marketing business, creating my own courses. I have the One Blog Post Away challenge, where I help people understand how to build a highly profitable blog, whether that's low ticket, high ticket products, physical, informational, digital software. I show them how, because that's where I began. And even if I've moved on to different areas, I know what I'm talking about. And it's an amazing thing. And I have other courses as well as on affiliate marketing, other areas. Anyways, there's so many reviews here about what he talks about in this video. You can get the free training, free bonuses to this offer here. And it's your price is $39. I think it used to be at $7 maybe, downsell to $7. But if it's even just $39, that's worth taking, which is the Entre. You're going to get the Entre Blueprint training course, personal one-on-one business advisor, awesome life challenge, Entre Nation community, 30-day money back guarantee. So there's no risk, right? You go from the free downloadable guide to seeing this video, and then Jeff's going to have an offer for you. And this is an amazing thing. I have it all, plus his courses, and one-on-one business advisor, $299 value, awesome life challenge. Inside this training, he breaks down everything he's learned about how to create an awesome life from over a decade of study into daily videos that will help you transform all of your aspects of your life, from personal, professional, and physical. You want to have a very awesome life, not just money, but you want to change your life, whichever, way it is. Mentally, it becomes with your family, with your friends, your recreational activities. And it's changed my life in ways like you couldn't even imagine. If you don't take this, you really just don't even care, don't even want to do anything with online, because eventually you'll have to come around to this. So he talks about that in the Awesome Life Challenge. I have a video for that as well. I'll leave down below. Entre Nation, I'm in there, the community that gives value, 30-day keep it all money back guarantee. We're so confident this training will change your life that if you're not satisfied within the 30 days, they'll refund your money and let you keep the $670 worth of bonuses free as their gift to you, so you have no risk. Plus, you're going to want to keep this. This gives you everything you need to get going with it. And what you're going to get, there's the payment information for that. But then here's part of what I wanted to show you. Here's the Entre Blueprint. And I won't go too in depth with this. Again, I have a video on this and blog posts and stuff like that of it. So it's going to be 6 steps, and it's going to show you how to build not only this incredible life, but how do you build an incredible business at the same time? The 2 of them, the 3 P's of an awesome life. He's going to talk about the importance of the 3 legs of successful action. And then he really goes into like giving you the affiliate marketing on the 3 phases of building your legacy on this one. And then the affiliate marketing side, he gives you a free downloadable guide you can get in there. And he also does that with the agency. You get a free downloadable guide as well if you scroll down below. I showed it in another video in other places too. And then step 6, digital courses. Business plan is the last thing. So you can go ahead and get into his courses within affiliate marketing. And they are of a higher price later on, right? You don't have to get them immediately with the downloaded free guide that I showed you here at the beginning. But I highly recommend you do check out one of those 3 to start with. For pricing and stuff, I have other videos and blog posts you can see that on, and where I reveal all that information, but not for this video. I want to stay focused on the matter at hand. So there's no risk. Go ahead and get this free downloadable guide, fastest way to become a millionaire for you, where you can copy a millionaire in Jeff. Shortcut your journey, right? You don't want to spend thousands of hours wasting your time, your energy, all these mental and physical pain that you have to go through, all the efforts, right? And you eventually want to save yourself more time and money and make more money in the end of it, right? Wouldn't it make more sense to go with something that you can copy than to go somewhere where you have to spend so much time already trying to figure out if this will work for you, trying to figure out if this is the strategy you should go down, right? So go ahead and get the free downloadable guide here. Plus, before that ending, I do have the blog post here just to show you proof of that. And I have income reports and stuff like that. So you can go ahead and view that I'm not just somebody just trying to put a video. I'm a practitioner. I speak, but I practice what I speak. I practice what I preach. And I really go into it. And this will really change your life. It's just as simple as that without getting into the more finer specific details of it. I just try to keep this as short as simple for you, but I know I have to give you the specifics because otherwise you wouldn't understand that how beneficial this is for you. So this is going to be down below in the description. It should be like one of the very first links you can get access to. I might even put a video down there that like introduces you to maybe who I am a little bit, not too much, but why you should get this and what you can do with it. But go ahead, get your hands on it. Get help from Jeff Lerner himself, how you can build a legitimate business with the 3 business models. You can even get into all 3 of them. How you can piggyback off of a millionaire himself and others. And he just gives you the shortcut. You want a shortcut? This is it. There's nothing else out there like it. Okay? And there are many people, like you've seen, writing good reviews about it. They're all saying great things. There's people in the Entre Nation group who are finding great help. There's people who are putting videos on YouTube. I put that all in the blog post. You can check Entre Nation once you're in, but there's a lot of people saying great things about it. I'm one of them, and I'm very happy that I found this. Okay, so down below in the description, go ahead and check it out. And if you have any comments, questions, or concerns you want to know about, do leave me one down below on his other material if you don't see it in the description. And that is that. And don't forget to like this video too, because we want to help as many people as we can possible. Spread the word that they don't have to continue living this whole like 9 to 5, being stuck in traffic, waking up every day, putting a pair of jeans on, spending another 15 minutes before they get in for breakfast, and then another 15 minutes before they get into the car to drive off. It's just, it's mind-numbing. And once you realize that you can make a difference in your own life as well as many others, things will start to change. All right, that's it from me. Thank you.